5 seconds. The instant appeal has been preferred by Subhash Chandra at the red base feeling dissatisfied against judgment of conviction and order of sentence dated August 29, 2003 passed in case FIR number 130 dated May 12, 2000 under sections 489B, 489C, 489D, 467, 471, 420 IPC registered at police station Sardar Gurudaspur, whereby he has been convicted under section 489C IPC and sentenced to undergo RI for a period of 3 years. Aveen Kumar 2015 03 25 1356. I attach to the accuracy and authenticity of this document High Court of Punjab and Haryana at Chandigarh CRL Appeal number S1749 SP of 2003 and to pay fine to the tune of 500 and in default of payment of fine to further undergo RI for a period of 1 month. Briefly stated, the facts of the case are that on May 12, 2000, SI SHO Varinder Singh along with ASI Ravinder Singh, SC Kuldeep Singh, HC Ajvinder Singh and some other police officials was present at T point of village Gurulla in connection with checking of bad elements and vehicles etc. He received a secret information to the effect that a person is coming from the side of village Tibri on a scooter bearing registration number PB08Z5653 towards Gurudaspur, and in case he is subjected to person search, fake currency notes could be recovered from him. After some time a person came while driving the above referred scooter who was signaled to stop. When accosted he revealed his name as Subhash Chandra @bus. His personal search led to recovery of 33 notes of fake currency of the denomination of 50 each from the pocket of his trouser, besides genuine currency notes of 120 which were taken into possession by him via separate recovery memos. He was also submitted to custodial interrogation, during which he disclosed that he used to exchange fake currency notes of the denomination of 50 with genuine currency notes of the denomination of 100 with general public. He also disclosed that he, along with Deepak Kumar @Naresh Kumar, Avin Kumar 2015 3 25 1356, I attached to the accuracy and authenticity of this document High Court of Punjab and Haryana at Chandigarh CRL Appeal number S179 SB of 2003, son of Charan Das, resident of Tilak Nagar, Delhi, also purchased a computer for preparing counterfeit currency notes. During his interrogation, he also suffered disclosed statement, and in pursuance thereof, he got recovered 166 currency notes of the denomination of 500 each, 2 identity cards, one issued by Jalandhar Police and another issued by Gurudaspur Police, and 2 seals, one issued by SSP Jalandhar and another by SSP Gurudaspur. All these articles were taken into possession, wide recovery memos. Fake currency notes recovered from the possession of accused Subhash Chandra were also sent to the office of Reserve Bank of India, Sector 17 Chandigarh, and those currency notes were found to be fake, and a report in this regard was obtained by investigating officer. After completion of police investigation report under section 173 CRPC was presented in the court of jurisdictional magistrate, since offences complained of were exclusively tribal by the court of sessions. Case was committed under section 209 CRPC after having complied with the provisions contained under section 207 CRPC. Subhash Chandra at the rate base and his co-accused Deepak Kumar at the rate Naresh Kumar were charge sheeted to face trial under sections 489B, 489C, 489D, 467, 471 and 420 IPC. Both the accused did not plead guilty to the charge and claimed trial. Accordingly, Aveen Kumar 2015 03 25 1356 I attached to the accuracy and authenticity of this document, High Court of Punjab and Haryana at Chandigarh CRL Appeal number S1749 SB of 2003. Prosecution was asked to substantiate the charge frame against them. As prior to this case, the then SSP Gurudaspur SH Varinder Kumar had given me identity card as informer in the police department, and I had been working with SH Varinder Singh, the then SHO Sardar Gurudaspur, and after some times SH Varinder Singh had asked me to arrange rupees 50,000 for getting permanent number in the police department, and for that I mortgaged my house, which was situated in Kartarpur district, Jalandhar, and that money I had given to Varinder Singh, who took me to the residence of SSP Gurudaspur along with money, where Varinder Singh had assured me that SSP had agreed to give me a permanent number, but for few months they had not given me the permanent number in the police department. Then I met Varinder Singh and asked him to return my money, or Aveen Kumar 2015 03 25 1356 adjust me in the police department, which they had. I attached to the accuracy and authenticity of this document, High Court of Punjab and Haryana at Chandigarh CRL Appeal number S1749 SB of 2003 promised earlier. But they assured me that wait for some time more regarding my money. I had talked with Varinder Singh on his official telephone number 30984 regarding this receipt of STD form, which I had found is also with me, and I had made entry in this visit register at the residence of SSP Gurudaspur when I accompanied Varinder Singh to the residence of SH Ravindra Kumar SSP. I had also given an application to the higher authorities, DGP Punjab, Human Rights Commission Punjab, regarding the high-handed enough of the police, as they took me from my residence from Kartarpur and planted the present case falsely against me, so that I may not ask Varinder Singh regarding the money which I had paid to him, and I will produce lead defense evidence.